Hi again, welcome back to Bistify. So far we have covered extract, comprehend. Now let's move on to the next service. It's called Amazon Bedrock, and that's nothing but a fully managed service from AWS, and that will enable you to build and scale GenAI applications. You must have heard of these words these days, GenAI. So GenAI applications, when we say it, that means without managing servers or any training your own models. It just give you API access to foundation models and what foundation models are. And we have foundation models here from the different providers. For example, Cloud A by Anthropic. We have Amazon provided models as well. So we can play around with these foundation models and can do a lot of things. So let's start with this. And in order to do it at first place, you need to submit the request. So modify a model request, something you would do at first, and then whichever model you would like to choose, you can choose it. I have done it for Cloud Haiku from Anthropic. You can use Amazon models as well, like Nova Light and all. I have done it for Nova Light as well for text and vision. So let's go ahead and do something around with it. If I say let's do a chat, and I'll choose Cloud Haiku and apply the model and say, hey, help me to understand AWS Bedrock. Let's see what it says. So it says Amazon Bedrock is a product that is this. It is an infrastructure service that aims to provide a fully managed blah 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 blah. Right? This is the quite useful information you have got from it, like you do the Chat GPTs, which is again based on LLMs, large language models. This is the very useful stuff you have. There are some more components to it, features to it, like temperature, top P, top K. These are nothing but like if you increase the temperature, like the more it is, the accuracy of the responses will be the higher, and the very deep dive information you would get. And top P and top Ks are nothing but the probabilities of getting the results accurate, and that's how it works from the chat perspective. However, there are some more features to it. Since this is the high level overview video, so I won't go deep dive. I'll cover it in my future videos, but I'll say that the components we have are the infer tune. You can fine tune the model. You can have the batch inference in the infer. If you like to run the model inferences asynchronously in batches to efficiently process many requests at once. This is what you would do here. Okay, we'll try to show the use case in near future. You can fine tune the model. You can have the build enabled here. You can create the agents by selecting some foundation models. You can make a use of flows. You can make a use of knowledge base is very interesting topic. I'll try to give you some short overview. Like if I click chat with your document, I'll choose the model as cloud 3 Haiku, which I enabled, and I say let's chat with my document. And document is nothing but the AIML glossary PDF I have uploaded here. Now, whatever questions I ask here, if this exists in this particular PDF, then it would be uh, then it would be searched from this particular PDF. Else, it would give the response as not found, something like that. So this is the uh, um, AIML LLM glossary cheat sheet that I have. So whatever information I have, that would picked up by the model. So let's say I choose what is hallucination in AI, and let's see what it says. Here it says when AI outputs false and but confident answers. So let's see. Going ahead with this hallucination. Now it gives me hallucination is the context of refer when AI outputs but false confident answer. This can happen when AI. So this also enhance the in responses as well. Not only what it gives. If you click details, it would give you the source chunk. It would have some more source chunk here, overfitting, underfitting, transformers, more or less what we have in the document, right? So from this, it has picked up. Uh, the answer from. And suppose this document doesn't have anything related to Bedrock. So if I say what is Bedrock, it simply say Bedrock is not a term defined in the provided AIML glossary. The search results do not contain any information about Bedrock refers to blah blah blah, because this does not have any information in this particular document. Okay, so this is the simple use case. You can go beyond that, like if you like to have any automated chat bot enabled in your organization, you can make a full use of this service, and that would help you to enable the internal chatbot system where you integrate the knowledge base defined or created within your organization, or you can even map it with the external documents, right? And guardrails is like the firewall thing, that if any profanity is being used, you can simply filter it out using this particular feature. Prompt management, you define what you like to get or what you don't. Suppose if you like to avoid something very really something really abusive and you like to avoid it, you can simply do the prompt engineering towards it. Evaluation at last, nothing but how you, once your model is built, you define the evaluation matrices here to have certain things based on the performance or the effectiveness of that particular model. I hope that covers a lot, and I'll walk you through with some more demonstration with respect to how it works within the organization. What are the use cases we can build around it? Stay tuned for the next video.